Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can generate a realistic voice in ElevenLabs. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you create a high quality, natural sounding audio for our videos, podcasts, and narrations. So first log into your ElevenLabs and go to text to speech, and then just go and click that. So it should be right here. And once you're here, you will have to go to generate voice, which you can find right here, or it's just plainly voice, and go ahead and select a voice from that library, or you can create a custom voice as well. So after you've chosen your voice, then you will just have to click get started, and then you will here type or paste the text that you would want to convert into speech. So let's say I would want to say something like, I wanna eat an ice cream. So let's go ahead and generate that text, and it will be converted into speech. So it would be like
I want
this.
to eat an ice cream.
As you can see, it is realistic and it is really high quality, and you can also adjust the voice parameters like the speech, the speed, the pitch, and the emotion if it is available, especially for your version. And click generate so that you will be able to create the audio and preview it and download your generated voice. And yeah, that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.